What are you really paying for in the Olylife technology here? Well, for starters, my name is Amanda. Thank you for joining. Make sure you turn on that bell and the notifications so that you can be notified when the next video launches. Because we're going to dive deep, and I want you to stay till the very end because I'm going to actually show you the internal mechanism here. But before we get started, let me kind of tell you my story and why I got so excited about this PEMF and terahertz technology. I had an ankle injury when I was in my early 20s. I'm now 41. And that ankle injury started giving me lots of pain. That pain started in my ankle, started moving up to my knee, got to my hip, and pretty soon my neck and everything was involved in this pain. And a friend from Canada actually told me about this, and I was like, okay, really? You put your feet on a machine, it's gonna change you? All right. But he told me about grounding, and I know about grounding. You go out and you put your feet in the ground and you pick up the earth's energy, and it helps to stabilize you, it helps to ground you. Well, 20 minutes of this is equal to 6 hours of grounding. So I was excited. I said, yeah, sure, why not? I'll try it. So I tried it and I fell in love with it. And I didn't know anything else out there existed. So I got happily involved in it. I had some friends try it too. And then about a week and a half into it, I plugged it in and I put my feet on it and I was like, it doesn't feel like it's working. So I unplugged it, plugged it back in. Oh, it's working again. Oh, it's not working. Oh, it's working. And so I was like, I think it's maybe defective. So then I got a friend on it and I went down to, put it down a little bit because it was still too high, and it shocked the gentleman that was on it and it shocked me to the point it burnt my finger. I was like, oh no, this is not good. And so that's when I was like, okay, I know this product's great. I know it's working, but in my body, I know it's working. Not always working, just the stability of it. But I was like, I got to check it out. I got to find out if there's something else better. So I did my research, and that's where I pulled these certifications. So I found here a unit that we carry over at Healthy Hydration now, because I got so passionate about it, that is certified to 2023 standards, which the Olylife is certified to 2013 standards. The Pulse Pro Plus from Healthy Hydration here is also certified with a certification called ENICE 60335. This is the gold standard for safety, so it's not going to overheat, electrical shock, and the mechanical safety and engineering of the unit. So that's what that standard is. And Olylife does not have that one. And that's old standards, 2013. So there's different standards then as there is now. So if you want these, just let me know and I can absolutely get you a copy of the certifications. But you're going to spend a lot more on this unit, and that's why I was like, wow, it's so much more money for this unit when this is a better product for a lot better price. So you can find it. I'll put a link up here where you can find this unit. So looking at the outside, they're very, very similar. It's going to be a little smaller here. The unit itself is actually smaller. One thing that I didn't like is that because I got so excited about this, I wanted to take it everywhere. I did it 3 times a day for 20 minutes in the morning, afternoon, and the evening. And I didn't want to be without it. So I'd carry it everywhere with me because it wouldn't fit in a backpack. And then, of course, the handheld, you have to have the unit in order to use the handhelds. And so when I found this here for us, I was like, oh, this is great because it's smaller, so it fits in my backpack. And then the handheld units are handheld. There's no wires and cords, and you just plug them in to recharge them, and you can take them anywhere. So now actually I don't even have to take this. I can just use the spot treatment one when I'm out and about, which I love. So then you're going to notice when you go to change it up and down here on the different levels, there's 20 different levels you can go. This one takes a long time. And if you take your feet off, oops, and you got to start all over again. And so with this one, you can just click, 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 and it goes right up as long as you turn the volume off, and it's much smaller. They both do come with remotes as well. Okay, so it's smaller, it's easier to use here. The strength and the time are telling you what it is up here. And now for the grand finale, we're going to open it up so you can see inside. And this, there's a lot of the same components in here actually. But what I did notice is that this here section is going to be to the front panel is where the handhelds are going to go. So this is just because the handheld, so our unit here does not have that. So this is the Olylife inside. And then over here, the Pulse Pro Plus. It looks very clean, very tidy inside. And I'm not an expert on mechanical things, but they're using the same components in there, which I'm sure is a standard, but the fans are also bigger over here. So that's why it has that certification for safety. So it doesn't overheat. It doesn't have electrical shock, because I did get shocked by this. So I did notice on this one, when it got a little warmer, it shut off, which was great because before it had shocked us. So that was not good. So if you are interested in owning one of these, inquiring about them, you can go over to healthyhydration.com, check it out. If you've got questions, always email us or just give us a call. We'll be happy to talk to you about it. If you're interested in the affiliate marketing portion, you want to know how to help others, we do that as well. So cheers, friends. We'll see you in the next video. Make sure you're liking, subscribing, and turning on the bell.